All right, now we're really getting to the good stuff. So this right here is the ultimate affiliate marketing funnel. This is how you make money. All right. So let's break it down. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to understand is this right here. This is all about traffic. All right. Traffic is probably a technical term to you. So all traffic really means is that you want to grab people's attention and you want to bring them over so that they're looking at your stuff, that they're interested in your content, so that hopefully they can click the link that's going to send them over to the squeeze page. A squeeze page has a very specific purpose. The only purpose of a squeeze page is to capture someone's email. All right, it is a website. Of course, websites and funnels are completely different. All right, a website is something that is created by a programmer that just wants to show off all the skills. You know, websites are going to have things like an about me page, all these different tabs that maybe tell the story of the company. A funnel is none of that. A funnel has one purpose for every single page. All right, and the squeeze page, its sole purpose is just to collect an email. All right. Before I go into that though, I want to again talk about traffic. And the reason why I have listed every single one of these traffic sources here, we're looking at TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Pinterest, YouTube, is because you can go get traffic from every one of these sources. There's people on these every single day spending hours and hours of their day. So if you can capture some of that attention and bring it to you, you're doing well. However, just as I said before, don't make the mistake that I did. When I first started, I thought, when I learned about this, when I learned about the ultimate affiliate marketing funnel, I thought that that meant that I had to be everywhere. Okay? And let me, if you guys don't get anything from this, get this. Focus on one thing. All right? So if you try to do all of these, if you try to make content for TikTok and Instagram and Messenger and Pinterest and YouTube Shorts, you're probably gonna mess them all up. Because in order to be successful, each one of these has its own little tweaks that make them work. All right, what works in one platform doesn't work in the other. And so choose one. Choose one, go after it for 6 months, maybe a year, become a master of that platform, and then you can move to another one to increase your income, increase your reach. But you never want to go after all of them at the same time. It's going to cause you a lot of headache, and it's going to again spread you too thin. So don't do the same mistakes that I did. I definitely did that before, and let me tell you that it didn't work out. I felt frustrated, I was stressed, I felt overwhelmed. Don't do that. Focus on one thing. Now, as I say, focus on one thing, and I talked about the squeeze page and talked about how it's called a funnel, and it's really this website that's designed like a funnel. The second page of that website is a bridge page. In the bridge page, you go in and you talk about how your experience with whatever product you're promoting or service went. Right? Again, you don't want to promote something that you haven't done. That would go against what we learned in the beginning, how you have to find people that are going through same issues that you had and teach them how to overcome them. If you haven't gone through the service or bought the product, how can you give your experience? You simply cannot. All right, and people will read that right away, and they're gonna be like, "Oh, this person's not real. This person is like just trying to make a quick buck," and they're gonna leave. So don't do that. All right. The last part of this is the sales page. So the sales page is not your website. This is where you send them off to your partner, right? Your whatever company you're promoting. They are the experts on their product, so they should be the ones that talk about the product, not you. So that's all. That's what you do. You send them over to the experts. The last thing I want to say while we're here is, as usual, I talk about focus. Focus. We're trying to be affiliate marketers, guys. In order to be an affiliate marketer, do you think that that means that you have to be great at making websites? No. Okay, you need to be great at being a marketer. So I highly suggest that you find a program that is going to do this for you. And again, the 15-day challenge, they will share an already made squeeze page for you and an already made bridge page for you so that you don't have to do it yourself. You use what they give you and you just focus on what's going to make you money, which in this case is bringing in traffic. All right. Again, a story about me. When I first started this, my background is I'm very techy, okay? I'm very comfortable with tech. And so when I saw this, I was like, that's my arena. I jumped in and I made all these different squeeze pages and bridge pages. I focused my time on being good at making funnels. All right. What did that really do? That delayed the time that it took for me to start making money. Because we're affiliate marketers. It's literally in the name. Focus on marketing. Don't focus on anything else. Again, this is the importance of choosing the right product. So I feel like I chose the right product, which now allows me to not have to worry about these things.